In this video, today we will try to learn how to export the Autocad file on Google Earth. The Autocad file, when we will export the Autocad file on Google Earth, it will plot its original coordinate location on Google Earth. Actually, before learn how to export the Autocad file on Google Earth, we have to understand about the WGS system and zones in which our whole Earth is divided on the basis of latitude and longitude. Like we are talking about the India, here we can see our India, the zone is 43, we are showing here 43, 44. These are the zones in which our whole Earth is divided, and we have also the knowledge about the WGS system before start this video. Actually, WGS system, we can understand a WGS system like that. Our Earth is defined in a datum for deciding a uniform shape, that is a WGS 84. So the WGS 84 World Geodetic System 84 is a defining our Earth in uniform shape. It is a simply definition for this WGS 84. Now we are going to start how to export our Autocad file on Google Earth. For that, like that, this is our Autocad file, and we have an area of a plan of any construction site, likewise the factory, or likewise a plant, likewise any township planning. So how to export this file on Google Earth? So we will export this file on Google Earth. Here we can see the Civil 3D setting on the top of the menu bar here. We will click it there and the window will open, the list will be open like this. Here we have the command drawing setting. We will go to the drawing setting. The dialog box will be open like this. Here we have to select the UTM WGS 84 datum. This is the WGS 84 which we was talking about. It is the here we required for the select that WGS 84 datum. After select this, we will click on OK. Then again come to our graphic window on our Autocad file. Now we will type our command, which is the export. We will type on keyboard export. Our command will be active and it show the number of option of export. Here we will type export and the number of command will active. We will choose export KML. Here we can see export KML. Click on that. The dialog box will open like this. Here we will give the name of our file. Then next, the next dialog box will be like this. Here we will go to select object, click on select object, and by this point, this is the browse button, we will click on this and we will go to the object, which is our AutoCAD file. Here we will select all these four polyline, which is the polyline diagram, and number of diagram can be in single file. We have to select all the polyline diagram. How much polyline diagram is selected, it will show us. Then again, next, the dialog box will be like this. Here we will choose drop object on ground. Here we will choose drop object on ground. Then next, here our this dialog box will show the location of our file. We can choose the location as per our desire by the browse button. It will take us on the location. We can choose desktop or C drive or D drive, and we will again give the file name as per our choice. We can change the file name also, and the extension we will choose KML. Before this, the one option it also show to direct view our file on Google Earth. By click on view, we will go to the directly on Google Earth where our file is drop on ground. This is our file. It's showing some area in grazing lanes, coming in grazing lanes, some area coming on township area. On this basis we can plan our project, and by click on the KML file also we can go to the Google Earth and show our area on Google Earth. This is how we can export our AutoCAD file on Google Earth. How do you like my video? If you like this video, please comment and give me feedback. Thank you.